Hello guys, and welcome back again to another episode of Cooking with Sarah's Kitchen. In our video today guys, we're gonna be making this delicious yummy salad. Stay tuned so that you get to see how I'll be making this yummy salad guys. And in case you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned so that you get to see more of this video guys. So I will start by preparing our ingredients, and let me tell you guys, just go and try this salad and let me know in the comment section, cause hii ndio nimeshaitengeneza salad nikasikia ni tamu zaidi. So ni hayo tu kwa leo, and I don't know what I should be telling you while preparing this salad, cause I'm lacking word to explain everything, but hope you will just watch the video and you go and try. And kindly support me guys, kindly if you find this message, if you find this video, just send it to your friends so that they can watch. Yeah, thank you also for those who are supporting me. Kindly I beg you guys, go and watch. Anyways, enjoy the rest of the video. We see you in the next one. I love you guys, and we see you in the next one. Bye.